How to rescue earthquake-trapped people safely. Rescuing people who are trapped after an earthquake requires careful planning and execution to ensure the safety of both the rescuers and the individuals being rescued. In the event of an earthquake, it is important to follow certain procedures to rescue people who are trapped. Here are the general steps that should be followed. Step 1. Call for help. Contact emergency services and report the location of the trapped individuals. Provide as much information as possible, including the number of people trapped and their estimated location. Step 2. Assess the situation. Before attempting to rescue someone, assess the safety of the area and determine if it is safe to approach. Assess the stability of the building and surrounding area to ensure that it is safe to enter. If the area is unstable or there is a risk of further collapse, wait for professional rescuers. Step 3. Gather supplies. Collect any necessary rescue equipment, such as gloves, hard hats, flashlights, and ropes, and have them readily available. Step 4. Use caution. When entering a building that has been damaged by an earthquake, proceed with caution. Be aware of the potential for falling debris and shifting structures. Step 5. Listen for sounds. Listen for sounds from trapped people, such as yelling, tapping, or moving debris. Step 6. Work in teams. It is safer and more effective to work in teams when conducting a rescue. Assign roles and responsibilities to each team member. Approach the trapped individuals slowly and carefully, and watch for any signs of danger, such as shifting rubble or falling debris. Step 7. Use tools. If necessary, use tools such as crowbars, hammers, or saws to remove debris and gain access to trapped people. Step 8. Stabilize the area. If the building is unstable, try to stabilize it by bracing or shoring up walls and roofs to prevent further collapse and make the rescue safer. Step 9. Communicate with the trapped individuals. Keep the trapped individuals informed of your progress and reassure them that help is on the way. Step 10. Use appropriate techniques. Depending on the situation, different rescue techniques may be appropriate, such as digging, lifting, or cutting through rubble. Follow established procedures and use appropriate equipment. Step 11. Perform first aid. If the person is injured, perform first aid to the best of your ability. Seek for further medical assistance. Step 12. Wait for professional help. Once you have stabilized the situation and performed first aid, wait for professional rescuers to arrive. It is important to remember, rescuing trapped people from an earthquake-damaged building is a complex and dangerous task that should only be attempted and performed by trained professionals. If you are not trained in rescue procedures, wait for help to arrive, and follow the instructions of emergency responders. Thanks for watching.